All right.
How are you going?
So, hello everybody. Welcome to Hot Pepper Mechanics. This is episode number 6, I believe. And today we're at Make Automotive, and I'm with Ollie, and he's going to be changing the valve cover on my car, but the twist while eating a ghost pepper. So this will
Just like that?
just like that. So it, you can talk, you can, it's up to you, man.
I don't know if I'll be able to talk. Do I have to eat the whole thing?
Yeah, that's kind of the.
Serious?
I did it.
Fuck. Okay.
Well, no, like you can take a bite, chew it, and then take another bite. So once you go in,
so let's do
once
that.
once you go in,
small bites and then.
but you small bites, you're prolonging it. It's one. It's either you take a half, and it's like un coup, because the ghost peppers are kind of hollow inside. It's not. They're not like the habaneros where it takes a while to chew. This is very easy to chew, and it's very fruity.
Fruity. For sure. For sure, it's very fruity.
It is fruity.
Sure.
The taste. Here you go.
Oh. Alright, so we'll just set that aside. I'll just put it there. Okay.
All right.
First,
What's it taste
not
like?
too bad. Holy shit.
So how long have you been here at iCar, Make Automotive?
Well, actually, I've been here for a while. Oh, God. See, I know it's spicy.
Because you're starting to hiccup, yeah? That's what I got. That's what makes it so hard to talk. You shouldn't be drinking water right away, but it's going to make it worse.
Yeah, but in my mind it helps.
So how long have you been here?
Been here for about 5 years. Wow, it's really spicy.
You're saying it's so calm. It's really spicy.
So, it all started with my buddy Adam, who used to have the shop here. Yeah. It's actually a nice, heartwarming story, but I can't tell it right.
Literally, it's both. It's heartwarming on both.
Yeah. And so, yeah, he had the shop. I was just, I was working here as the tech with him. And then, yeah, one thing led to another. He got another job. He went away, and then the owner of iCar approached me and was like, "Hey, your stuff's already in the shop. Do you wanna keep it?" And so I went, yeah. And it became a place to hang out and work on cars with friends.
I could see the sweat under your eyes.
I'm starting to tear up too. And then yeah, so one thing led to another. It became a shop to just work on our cars with a bunch of buddies, and now it's sort of merged into a real mechanic shop.
I know it's gonna hit you for a little bit. It goes away, I promise.
But it's not as bad as I remember.
It's because you had water. If you should have let it percolate in your mouth a little bit. But all right, cool. So that's the story behind Make.
Yep.
And now you've partnered up.
Yep. Partnered up with Steven Cheno, former Shedex owner. Oh, we shouldn't say that name around these parts. And yeah.
For the record, you only ate half your ghost pepper.
Oh man.
This is just for the record, okay?
It's like almost the same color.
So tell me, other than a BMW, what's your favorite car?
I would have to say Porsche 911. Yeah.
What year?
Any year really. They're all pretty gorgeous. I mean, of course the early the first version of the water cooled doesn't get much love, but I still think that it's a great driver's car. It's very fun to drive, and yeah, I would have to say Porsche, definitely.
Awesome. to remind you, you still have half a pepper here. Just stating the facts. Just, you don't have to eat it right away, but I'm just, you know, I'm stating the facts here.
No, let's get it over with. I think I'm gonna.
So what's your favorite aspect about working on cars?
Well, I like. I've always been. Dad's an engineer, and he taught me He taught me to appreciate engineered things at a very young age. And yeah, I find that cars, if I was to have gone into aerospace, everything is very controlled and has to be a certain way, and there's not much room for creativity at all. Whereas in cars, especially race cars for that matter, there's quite a bit of room for some how would I say it? In French I'd say l'ingénierie de brousse, which is not really, like, not the best type of engineering, more of the, you know.
I'll look it up and put a subtitle.
It's more like, you know, just normal people just trying stuff, you know, for racing, and it's always been that way. It's not necessarily the biggest engineering department that wins the races.
Yeah.
And so yeah, in that regard, I appreciate working on cars very much, and plan to do it for a long time. And
all right.
Get better, and always learning new stuff, like literally all the time to this day, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon.
Awesome. So why Make?
It's that's a good question. Actually, it's at one point it just struck me. You could ask Adam Q, who actually had the shop here before me. I was speaking to him one day. One of the towers that's now on the track, at one point was parked right in front of the shop, like 4 years back, or 5. And we were just sitting on top there, and I don't know, it just literally just struck me, and I thought it sounded cool, and I thought I wanted to make it a thing, and it's been a thing in my mind ever since, and now it's on the back of a t-shirt.
Nice. And on a lot of cars I see lately.
Well, we try to
expanding.
We try to get our name out there and try to, you know, expand the whole business.
Of course.
So yeah, to make it more accessible, and eventually we'll, as much as we want to develop different aspects of the business into, you know, more general mechanic stuff, which is ironic because most general mechanics, they want to do race cars, but we're like doing race cars, and we want to do general mechanics events too.
Right.
But yeah, we're trying to expand in all directions possible. Also, we're looking to get someone on board who would greatly help us with the, I'm not going to say any name, but he'd greatly help us with many of the engineering aspects of race car parts and race car setups. And yeah, we're in discussion with him right now. And
nice.
Hopefully it all works out.
That's it.
We'll have, we'll be able to basically supply our customers with like turnkey racing cars, all built by us from start to finish.
Holy shit. All right. That's some big news. Big news to say on my channel.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not news to anyone that knows me.
Yeah.
This is the stuff that I...
Still, it's news for people who don't know. And
this is the stuff that I work for.
Yeah, sure. Well, you guys heard it first. If you're in Quebec and you want general mechanics done, you want a race car done, you got to come here.
Anything that has 4 wheels and a steering, almost, we can take care of.
Even electric cars, I saw you guys built on an electric car the other time.
Yes, we do. We do have the certification required, and most of the tooling as well for electric cars. So all the cars, bring them all here.
This is the whole purpose of the show.
Yes.
just the last piece. Just you can bite it to the stem there.
All right, this one has the most.
Oh, it's got all the seeds too. Yes. You have the. That's
like the first part was not.
That's the Mona Lisa. No, but that's the Mona Lisa of what you're about to eat now.
Right, here goes.
Bottoms up. That's it. Second part. I'm sorry in advance.
It's too juicy for my liking.
Freaking flies everywhere. Yeah, the seeds are really, yeah. You got bread, don't worry, you got bread. Now, 60 seconds. You got 60 seconds to, let me see, I gotta come up with a question. Why BMWs? 60 seconds, go.
They're a great driver. I appreciate German engineering very much because I'm a fan of engineering. And they're just overall great driver's car. Very well made and fun to work with. Very fun to work on. Oh God. So much worse than the first one.
I know, 30 seconds, you got 30 seconds more. Close this out on the highest note possible. No water, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Why else BMWs, man? German engineering, you love the fire. What else?
Motorsport heritage. They have a good motorsport going on. They make great cars, great race cars. And yeah, overall a blast to drive, a blast to work on. Easy to work on. They're also fun to turn into drift cars. And that's what we're into here.
Awesome.
Oh man.
Your 30 seconds are done. You can now eat something, bread, candy. Something to, I'm sorry, I keep interrupting your work with the hot pepper. That's what Hot Pepper Mechanics is all about. Your episode is especially going to be interesting because there's a lot of info in there. It's rough, huh? I know, I ate one and yeah, when it's the seeds that really get you. You want more water? It'll go away. It'll go away as quick as it hits you.
You know what? I'm not sure about that.
It will. Trust me. I've eaten the habanero. I've eaten the ghost pepper. Take a walk. And that's Make Automotive, folks. Give them a round of applause. If you guys anything you need for mechanical needs, you guys come see Make. Message me directly and I'll get you in contact with them. So that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. Take care.